bit. So if you want it to be cleaner, like nicer looking, you would do. When you go this way, it tends to. All right, so what I got to do is take some of these bamboo poles and get some of this little sticks off them just to clean them up a little bit. So you hold it towards the top, cut these things off, and then the top one's really difficult, so I just cut it. I usually just put it on something and smack it off. Okay, there's one clean pole. When you go this way, it tends to pop up and doesn't clean them up as easy. It will work, but I usually go the other way. I mean, starting over here, holding it, and just going down. Tends to peel a little bit of it off a little bit. So if you want it to be cleaner, like nicer looking, you would do it the other way, but I don't really care. Please. Here we go. Small one. Let me use this. Okay. We got about 6 of them. One's really short, but that's okay. Let's go find some pumpkins. I know there's one over here. So we're going to start with this one. I'll put the small one over here. Right here. So this pumpkin's not quite done. Still got a lot of green left in it. So what I just want to do is put a stake here, just so I know there's a pumpkin here. I can find it later amongst the weeds. The reason I'm doing this is because I found a pumpkin a minute ago, and its top had already died back and created a little rotten spot. Looks like there might be some bug damage. Now, when this happens with these really hard seminal pumpkins, what you'll find is that the damage is really just in a small area, and you can just cut that spot off, and the rest of it's super clean and good to go. So it still has a good food value, but this one we'll bring inside. We've been harvesting pumpkins. We've taken a few just as needed for dinner and whatnot, but I want to know where the rest of the pumpkins are and put the poles out just so I know where they're at, because I didn't know that one was even there. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna put these against this tree for a minute. I think there's one over here somewhere too. There. Right there. Not far from my beehive. Alright, so put that pumpkin there. Let's do a quick evaluation on the pumpkin. Let's look at it. And this one looks almost ready to harvest. Maybe it still has a good stem, a little bit of green left in it. So maybe another week or two. So we'll just leave that post there. Let's go find something else. Take these poles. Any pumpkins over this way? Let's see what we can find over here. I've been neglecting the garden. Just because as the weeds grow, I usually feed them to the goats, and instead of cutting them all back, I need to just cut them back. The goats are well fed. I'm following a pumpkin vine right now just to see if I see anything on it. And I don't see anything here. Alright, what do we got? Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. There's one there. Let's put a pole there. Let me show it to you. Everything looks good on this pumpkin. A little blemish, but It's a nice solid pumpkin. It's not quite done yet. Just put a stake in the ground if I can, one-handed. There we go. Potential spam is trying to call me. I don't think so. Potential spam. All right, pumpkins, pumpkins. Where are the pumpkins? But I don't see any. Yeah, no. I think that might be it for the pumpkins. So we've harvested 2. And how many did I just mark? Well, there's the broken one, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 left. That's kind of a crappy year. I think last year I had 9 or 12. Any pumpkins? Well, the year's not over yet, but I think that's it. And it's possible I could find some more as I do some weeding. I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing this morning. I think next thing I'm going to do is get the weed eater out and just do a bunch of weed eating out here, because the garden could certainly use it. Take a look. Yeah. A lot of this is just weeds. And then even over here, a lot of this is just Spanish needles, which, I don't know if you know this, but these are supposed to be edible. The leaves, the flowers. Tastes like a flower. I've eaten them a few times with no ill effects, so I guess it's true. I guess they're edible. I'm still hoping I'm going to find another pumpkin. You know you're obsessed when, huh? Yeah. Okay, I give it a break. Thanks for watching, everybody.